through the village hall where time stands still, past the church that whispers tales on the hill. The parish stones remember souls long gone, while Seamab calls, her voice a timeless song. Ruins whisper secrets, echoes in the breeze, scenic stories carried over fields and trees. Oh, Seamab Hill, your tales unfold, from ancient graves to skies of gold. 1,000 vistas stretch their hands through Scotland's heart, through timeless lands. Castle Hill reflects the sky's embrace, built for today at garden time's own grace. The waters shimmer where rainbows rest, and nature hums a gentle sweet caress. Lochs and valleys whisper soft beneath the skies. Seamab summit holds the world in her eyes. Oh, Seamab Hill, your tales unfold, from ancient graves to skies of gold. 1,000 vistas stretch their hands through Scotland's heart, through timeless lands. Rocks and valleys whisper soft beneath the skies. Seamab summit holds the world in her eyes. Oh, Seamab Hill, your tales unfold, from ancient graves to skies of gold. 1,000 vistas stretch their hands through Scotland's heart, through timeless lands. Down the grassy paths we wander home, through whispers of the past we're not alone. Seamab Hill, your song remains a timeless hymn through sun and rain.